So I've seen these and I haven't tried them before, but this is what it looks like in the box. I bought a set of 4 of these super clean cleaning putties, and it comes with 2 blues and 2 yellows. But it also comes with some tools. There's a blower, vacuum type of, just a push blower. There's a nice duster. Looks like some sort of, oh, that's probably a keyboard removal tool. And then another kind of a brush with an end on it that I suspect has some sort of a tool method to it. There's also a microfiber cloth in there. From what I understand, this is like a gel putty. I'm going to open one up here. It's like a slime, I guess, that you're going to... Oh, and it has definitely a smell. Let's see. It smells kind of like fruit punch or something. It's kind of like a fruity smell. And you take a glob of this and you put it on your keyboard, and it peels up all the junk that's in your keyboard, but better than any brush could do. So I'm looking forward to trying this out. This is what it looks like in the package, but it's a little stickier than some of the toy slimes that are out there, so they must make it in a different mix than some of the toy slimes. I can already tell it's a lot stickier, and I'm assuming it's also going to be perishable. You're going to use it and then get rid of it. So yeah, that's the super clean and how it comes in the box.